change the O-ring all over the top neck. Use the Allen key to loose the screw on the back of the top. Then just pull out. Then disconnect the silicone tube. Basically just pull it out. Then you see the O-ring there. Just remove it to on the bottom. And the one on the top there, just make sure them things just remain on the top there. And once you remove it, then you put the new O-ring we sent to you, just put it back in there. Then just reconnect the silicone tube. Then you see that white plastic. Then you just line up the screw on the back of the top and just pushing. Then you screw back in. Tighten a little bit on the screws, but don't do too tight, otherwise your top you won't spring properly.